Bhí tuirseach ach go maiid
Inte mai.
na eicins bhilcar agam ar an apartamente in Zagama. Victor jazz cur sus agam.
Smile man
agus
Tulliger.
character agin an seacan se agin fásta lída aniu.
No, ag dul le sena eáilt. Dé mar tatu arás fála lé faoi dhéan.
Ar seanád chum sa talú slánaithe agus talú banaithe ar an bhilcar an seo. Yes, tá si de jazz fé arais.
Harútí arás ó bhí nólaigh an bhil ceart agan.
Bhí an áig, yeah. So úsa sin an tréise am smó gan a bheith I mo bhaile buhis íon. Tá an gan léir mór daine eile tréise a bhád níos faide ach fi sé fada golóir dúsa.
Cur síosám tá agam nuair tá mé ag teach na bhile ó bhile clí agus tíam na tá mé gáil just an eice leis an lech agus tíam na sléomhte hart na bhile agus just te glandar ar mar chrí. Jan cur síos ar an bhuachain a bhí ort ar a tháinig tú sin ar tháinig tú
An Mohican, taigen an Mohican arm nar a chrickam ní haigen an Mohican sin arm gotí gur chrickam tá agat an písa sin den glen sían óhar glen sían tén tú haar carach na gilt picnic area.
Yes.
Agus osclíon tá agat a ban hún bágar an tíobh chlé, but osclíon an siar ra buit agus just fecinn tú bhiltú in san lehan faoin na cric fecinn tú na cricar fad agus tá glen sían agus carnta haar boom right in front of you.
Yes, agus heglad cinneol na páirtna glása duna cric éacail agus rudí den tuair sin, yes.
Agus ní ecinn tú mar ceart go dtí go déan tú thar an corneal seo agus tá achrad os de chóir go toban agus sin ar a bhaith so sin ar hanig na Mohican sin. Agus hanig mar a tharla sé hanig órán stairiúil de chuid de a heas ar má Spotify agus mé check isteach ar an bus agus Facebook sin.
That's like Jay and Arna Fion. Gluas a dirty, yeah, dain me, kin or Arna Fion. Agus Sinner die.
Yeah, agus yeah, so I into agus Tammy once an sultas and Tam and shop near stad ruddy and no mohim into greyhach niro planana ogum shahas and banish but me greyhach gach la we miss a greyhach and our fad and the egg is near the mirror be
die
hard say if you want to into home came in since dar loch lana from one shop who what force machar cara into more dusa agus ni ro ni níos tí rá chraifach chur is cinneal atheiste so agus bheith a band chéile mar an gceanna so first siad básta sa teach taverne aitriúil teach taverne a choilech agus achan rud an pásu hín agus an buanis a ligan san éis céanna agus bhí humanist ceremony an agus leis an chéad, you know, an chéad. Into jazz. jazz. Well, great crack. Agus gafrad lonithe an Jack Tamarni. So vi shitsin ag Johnny na vows agus god galtana de chéile agus galans de chéile agus vi dini an sin in si le pinta Guinness no.
Tá sé ceandanna daoine sin.
No, we were groomsman, so be jumper a chlackte but yeah, no, vision the jazz agus so ni rushi de giri the speeches yani ni rushi de giri the speeches yani raw garage hannig raw lu hannig and junior agus me the machar like look no was Jenny the speeches and she's like no. It's just what you're gonna do. We start to go shigiri fanak and you go in alta. So we new speeches scripted horror be speech just cool nader ha agus neon character the hishmahori and that and Birdshaw. Since general neon character the hishmahori soccer ach spral of a kushrak.
Yeah.
So it was into some just so
vegan ditche origin ra
no but remember origin I was caught up in the whole thing. Best man. You good no current best man Kestar or while I'm running in I was like so but anyway sure ni Kevin then you're be in there's then you're be but like Neil Fishan Laura Cormac agus Laura Mesha agus Neil Fishan on the Cormac no Mesha glorch like Neil Fishan on then Brumma then Park Hill glorch like then you do so she you do so with Cormac she didn't go hossi Danish okay we better start videoing these so then was she like Fishan but yeah obviously into way so backer vi latse Guhan Mr. Gilgore rare
vi right if tam actors their margin sin hu me agsúl wes gesteach le barskilt am mar skra margin agus lad an klar vi acu in Dear Saol into mai we should Ellen Torrey, Creole Bio, Ellen Torrey. Yeah, I was just makes me came much goller ash. August cudged in a dine vi iglorch, lure much law and far vi ganas here and club social that vi session iglorch. August yeah. Cai tí éisteach leis an chláir fad mar tá sí ar dóid agus couple daoine couple blue ones a bhí ag glóirt a bhí tag fólam na Gaeilge a leir agus bhí sí an mai chuir tú sa mór seo an effig gach planala teanga atá an sin tá yeah it's das tír na mBasca a bhain agus tá Gaelic den Sky ekki
yes
níor craid mar agus just dúirt sé gur ólam si a cud Gaeilge ar fad ón air seki I say fair play dá
seriously is Lana in Intachid like
cai go bhfuil like níl sé forest ag teagas teangaí de a chéile like
níor bhfuil se scialtaí daoine eile a insin ach tá scial intach le insin sig an lad agus an ceilín sin so níor bhfuil se bheadh sé in a scial jazz an podcast but dín sin scial sin
agus
yeah
But just an clár fad agus an Gaelic tá ag na daine ar an Allen in the jazz. Agus an giving leat an bhain as bailile dún an áil ar bhfuil muid leis an oré ar an Allen. Hannig bhain ar an Allen. Hannig bhain ar an Allen ar fai like couple lá agus jan dansi seach agus dansi mí agus jan bhí si go fáil ar an Allen nuair a bhí muid an. Hannig mé fishing don Allen nuair a bhí siad ag tafadú agus bhí an bhain cíarna fáil an agus just rí sí lom Jesus ba cá go mé ó Virginia go fáil an fásta.
Given that agus ma John be dini around you must again Steve to must go get you a mask. Why you going there? Why you not staying here? Agus be me be sin the first of panic.
Holan solution just the near him not you magic go no well.
Like Shachas and I'm sure Niveo and Sealmore and Dafril like probably in the bog dredging the shoppy ag doch log near noon gachla. You'd better be up to chair and doing after one side. Yeah, there's synthesizer. I'd say they go for stays on Torre and pasta.
Her name is Graner. Hoshi and Clarig like a hinig like Tossin and Claragus. Dirt and Lerahor lishne le bunny na hecha or fad. Kate Gwashi Ashjack Div of a Sus Coolution here modging.
That's dangerous talk.
And
I just a hatch and umster on Hori na Passagat and Creation and Akla Dun Baller.
Yeah, Vision Galanta.
Her and on. That's like a wee slice of magic there, like we slice of heaven.
One much salt water as and
victory sus and I just shop anyway.
One much salt water as and re run much hard an Ellen agus gen who magic snow negation.
Yes.
Being in the glan.
Must fade you listen, I'm sure. Like master her glan. Ni kai she ve che, just master her glan agus gan of a roggy first. Very into jazz.
Saol and Ellen Mata the Marode Garuan and I'm sure like aber ocht Kim Jag no more mission. Del.
Wait, well man. Saol le couple of crin.
Rod Ella Samuel run me in Chocolate Shop be me against it and run me and cat Spanish har and ciall Lin Shaw I talkie so hull me for agus be me come go ga Ecuador Gion Mesa more or less.
Can do a transition dar lockdown na kon. I thought it.
Tá sé granar mar éisiim le podcuilta eile agus bína gcónaí like cód lascanna acu don síl seo so ní mé gur é letrí acu bhhain ma thugann siad óíochtaíon.
Smart. You're on top of things.
But
yeah, very good, Jimmer Visi.
Cuisine de mai, so hockey me Yanhi me couple of rangen le banas Ecuador. Agus banas Quito avion. Agus vi sé granar mar vi sogum cudge den fakle agus vi sé vi me gra le dul me in fakol shaw. Ausnin chicken chen as and chang duhusach chompa cílíonn sin like cóta nó rud mar sin, so dúirt sin lehí agus bhí sé gaire cruas agam na fácla sin agus couple fácail eile tá arúlas agam.
Chompa.
Ach dúirt Paulum go bhfuil go sílan muntir Quito go bhfuil mlás ach a ganhaint inta jazz agus níos fearr na de daoine eile in Ecuador ar na sléomhte. Ach do ma chluasa bhí sé inta cosal le an fearr a bhfuil maithar Pau pásta ar. Agus dúirt mé seo leis an bhean agus chuir sí céistorm an as Quito dá fásta agus dúirt me sin ná as an batú dá agus dúirt sí tá sogad tá an blas batú dafró agus dúirt me sin well tá sogad an seo an air heaglam an dafar a aichen idir sráid bhaile beag sabála agus an ceannéil beidir an rud agus is dó an actig le dainnear bhíú tímhaí sin a dhéanamh.
Sin semil. Lá igen eithneoid tos an duffer. Lá an seach eithneoid tos an duffer.
Sin
That's class. An dhearna sibh an rang trí bhean na Spáinische?
Yeah, mar níor lór se burla ar bí ar Harbí agus dúirt se go bhfuil burla eici ach mar chud duna daoine atá sé ag munú níl Spáinis acu, but níor lór sé burla ar bí lom agus sin go maiid like began doing like rudí a bhíú like bhí sé géirí a rá lom couple of fácail agus began doing bhíú fríd Spáinis.
Sin go maiid. So tá burla eici, but bhí sibh sabal de gapar na dhéanamh trí bhean na Spáinische. At the higher level, like the current to híana rang to cúig level on ag an Cairn.
Sin an rud a bhí mé exmuint siar an Cairn dín course or an Cairn go dé?
An rahad go rang a cúig.
Beidir rang a cahar rang a cúig Beidir. Like go fáil bíam ag stracos leis na breithre like ach heaglam iad ar fada úsáid ach just tanna si cinneal aisteach and like just cai mé like in amsir caite bíon gach cinneal dafriil agus tá sé deachar iad úsáid mar as cart, you know.
Yes.
Agus tá ceannéile an subjunctive atá deachar úsáid fásta.
Yes. Oof. Fair play it. So tashin go maiid. Inis dú foioi a síl bhaile clia agus na huismid uair agus gafar nó na huismid uair.
Tá gíla ige. Tá sí go maiid ag sacraí isteach, so tá so tá
Why you go serving your bait?
Níl. Ach an rud is mó tá mé ag bunt soldat an amsir seo in mhaile clia ná an garú tá na glasraig fuas go maiid, so bhí an chéad rocket agus lédas agam an teachan seo ón garú agus an rud eile atá ar láha agam.
Fermentation?
Sin fermentation. So sin
What's this next one?
sauerkraut sin janta á chabiste.
Right on. Rent keeper, yes.
Yeah, tá Kiefer. Yeah, tá Kiefer. Iham
Completed
Kiefer.
that. Completed that.
Yeah. Tá mi go fáile golda sin nach an lá ach hil me sé agus seo cean eile.
And he shouldn't sue.
Kombucha.
Ooh, the kombucha gentleman. Okay.
So
Okay.
trí an idir láha agam. Tá ná tá láthair.
What could you find Suyan?
Oh, na science.
Suyan.
Yeah, so run me sin agus hadarn me a gart tá sé asteach like ní hilim go darn me
The Hordoin Vinu Caddis for the Suyan is can simulate con.
Yeah, so vi me leo skielte kan den loor is Amsterdam skielte mucher lenne vi me leo na Shan.
Big shout out to Jags Moore.
Big shout out to the skielte mucher lenne.
Yes, we had the big time on the TV show. He's going to be the first guest.
You're a Russian mudge kier easter. Vi gonna soyan lucha so ach ha am mór an ólas a amsú faduda ach in sin you're vi me ag an while you han villages in sin na mulleh vi me curtu ólas faduda agus for me couple of edges so tá sé janta ón Corca one cartogam oats.
No, Orna, I glad. The Fockley, definitely. Corca Shingushin like more like I don't know, I glad Utsara, yeah. And then Orna, no, our like Braher and Canter. Like our shin just cereal gegenalta, but by Eden Corca no Orna and Chilum Orna was it.
Our costal like corn and a jerter corn to oats sawala like corn and
yes exactly and cereal it's cutting taken out so you said Dini Corca no Orna no our interchangeably in and I was like Brahar and Canter
tag him
so but yes Corca letter sorry.
So tá sé janta ón husks so you're a hui na hawer hagan villan mil agus
Willa
agus hannig na husks arás rinne suan de sin so curú vi an boil special de acuos boil jantas amad agus chur sé an rodseosteach on le eisce agus get bog den Corca úsidster don just don brahan agus in sin flagan tú ar fai ceci sin ó rud mar sin agus in é sin tá fermentation in é hále agus cai tú sin a chur fríd like an muslin cloth agus sin legan tú so fain tú ré leis na rudi tá faca sa muslin agus na rudi eile flagan tú agus an sin one teig an rud bain seo agus as a chóirtá like an rud an costal le eisce rud atá so bechordat an so an rud ní ceapann lom na hainneaithe sílam an rud ar bhain an rud stuff bainis ar stuff báin sin an saoin agus an sin stuff eile sin ní ceapann lom an tainneamh but heag leat an gá rud a ihe agus begra lá an saoin ihe inné dá é a chocaráil le cosú le brahan agus in na rudí eile just all. No, usid in at buttermilk. So Shanae, but haro domain stuff agus fi sé mar ha bheithe ag dréim cinneal seaarú agus ach haro galoor den stuff eile on really le é ihe and stuff ban.
And you recorded in Saol.
We get the but we should jacker a aisle.
But in you and edges, you said in shade the husks and cracking.
Yeah, so mBasca get the bug and gra.
Aye.
Gra corca. So dusage mesha.
Rather tough like it and yet and well and jobby on it.
Yeah. So
right.
So we say
yeah, you said something.
Oatbran. Like so shen castle shen. So he glad shen a chanacht. Níl sé cíad fan iarach tá sé castle shen. Bí me gona géir rá an iarach nes más o menos. More más o menos. Yeah.
Oh my lord. Más o menos. Spanam shen.
Shen céimé sin dhéanaí a ríist le níos mó den a rudaí. Níos mó eisce níos mó.
Would say yes. To be able to Johnny Coach word or we thought be just be jarbo with it.
Yeah. Hello galore agam.
But is do he go into my ditch then you and fermented foods into white and gut.
Yes. Gut microbiome. Tá mé má fan do ruddy that
like it's very near like you go more than your the factory bugs the laboratory bugs shomra in Wikipedia page her shaw the young no could you do a hospital Polish bookshop
just me a couple of pod creative for the gut microbiome general agus an sin le me isteach ní doimhne agus like tá rudder Reddit fermented foods are Reddit agus yeah that's the stuff that shit fermented ahanrod a he glad highly all lad ahanrod greens
sure
fio Jan and shin like the shin cotton to Bartina the like Iceland August Achamer shin August Esk August yeah
I don't know
yeah.
So you're gonna be a fermentation freak from now on.
Beidir nach worry sé ach couple of seachtainna eile, but I came here rag will do look sa sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
Yeah.
It's Tashman doing sauerkraut.
Tá an mala isce an seo war leis an a chuneal amach caian fermentation a bheith anaerobic, so to make an oxygen a bheith chuneal to tí muí.
Agus hatch and sauerkraut lab real.
Yeah, our blas me go G. Could you like couple of chilling to go
You're just enjoying the process. You don't actually like sauerkraut. You're just enjoying the process.
No, haru sagam guru rot on there van sauerkraut. The haru much a gihe sauerkraut agus mo jog a fall glyn like.
No. I grew up in the stuff. Every Sunday morning, when we bring out the roast gammon. There'd be a bit of a panic because nobody could find the sauerkraut. No, eat in Sweden you're away now because the begratner the pizza agus sauerkraut lesh. Thought that was a bit of a stranger mixture.
I think so.
Yeah, really sharp. But Tommy go made document in the ledger.
Major. No, and this dini a chonion sé ag fermental ar fai mísa number sin should yanhi ma sé keki sigin tus agus Taffy make a jammer a version niation.
That's class. It's cabbage on, okay?
She cabbage on.
Because vinegar no.
No, just current to Saol agus sin a mage. Guarantee a agus an sin current to couple of Spaniard de Saol masking to suicide agus an sin just current to a Steve Finian fermented with Shanae.
Amazing.
Love it. And if we fermenting and ish do fan and shacht and Jernach Zagama Solidanic to Nawala. Kasher
yeah. Bei Lucy in St. Shumra Agorharak the Bishop Appleton a Pickrick in St. Vincent leaves. Right now you'll be able to see me wearing a beret and an icarunya around my back. No, Vishy Gallant, Clack may be in Jerry Shack ni integrech by Gnam Kierna vi galore amalgam lom in on McNaviani Nespers August vi si but Gnam Kierna the fiesta on in Sanwalia the tab wild bugs a gamma skelchus cantraha no neighborhoods mar churnchidor different agus the instant canter bug buja shaw vi fiesta on agus vi sé galanta vi bandstand on vi like chosna son sin agus outdoor bar agus in sin vi food truck bug on very out of character for his gamma to have a takeaway thing like sin Kira Rio a walk on a burger truck I should be in mBasca.
Controversial. He must have grew to go a Spanish omelette truck, but burger truck.
Just August and I really like you should really. I remember the Michigan. Yeah, this is not even. Tordi to tortilla patata. Tell me Fluent more leis aspect tortilla patata er imagine time kindle culture. Anyway, vi sé galanta being Nigeria shackness and galanta agus vi Sahern vi kindle farewell agam le charge. Ja, persiad de Bratú agus couple de progress sus me cos le far tír na mBasca agus vi like vi sin de jazz na agus wahiment op nach sin de grammar vi Kylie non vi kenjal buite bug romance agam lehi agus Ní mu keisle couple seachtain chréit ní really agus landal me se ag an cúisiúr cinneál brunach agus níor sub an gur rud be planáilte. Agus bhí ocras an dónar mar níor ich mé lear fad. Bhím sé clachtú an fasting sin, but ní the interest just ná mí bhíanam. Ní bhí agrithe ar an bailach. Bhí mé siúil chuidú intentional fasting. It's like, hello, what's to make sure because and then there's that I suppose you're not gonna eat today, Liam. But like
you don't deserve to eat today, Liam.
Yeah. So this is my punishment for all the bad things. But landed me agus here the dirt mission can we eat so and I'm absolutely freaking starved. Agus something my heart agus being carrying book Doyle show on the piece of book star gum le. Agus dirt me hello. Agus and sin and lad more Garmanach show. He must have been 7 foot tall, broad. Agus that's a stereotypical sort of eye Garmanach, can you fairly handsome, do you know?
Yeah.
In the legend. He comes up beside her and he's like, hello. Exactly got arm. Being a hard got arm so because they're in kidding shop. Because she can in some group August oh, this is my friend Liam, this is my friend Clements.
Clements, don't know.
My friend Clements. We call him Clay. Because we should into Congress Linux in August. Agus we should in a two jazz lesson he have, but anyway. August don't know Kirshen Misha Esther for a couple of Erich like.
Agus lure to le crafog be yeah.
Lay lower. Yes, lower me the crafog. The crafog into grammar and doi Garmanach, you know. Oh, sign me up. I don't know, like I can't do the accent. It's just but sometimes the German accent is so comical, like it's it's problem say. Scale, Lucy will have to put a warning to the nation of Germany.
Yeah. So the Hussian and Pod Crilly game would say Raya Hort's done a Garmany.
And then really being lacha in the grammar just to her that we should piece about grammar, but I'm not a hatching numsa muna and a blast lad hatching shit on more. Anyway, the aniha galanta agus be pasti sogum sig chak su sogum agus
and in the past year vi agus two hala zagama.
And we norm na machraha, but dolly one of them in the first question. Agus tishmahori chak su sogum agus we cannot go we cannot come to the ahraha near lormish listen lad shot partially agus we like move hockey you get it agus the shikenyo alta like being lad shot Jarag alta like or go home and alta ag Jerry he had well Jerry he had tusen lay shot like kuga clogger imagine be bomb chain to jazz be tishmahor master ha lom alta ag kuig clogger imagine around you know in Uskara agus a merle briste my son agus my son really agus ni hookles chapter and vocal and then
likes me. Thinks of me as a father figure.
Don't tell me my way, tell me his way. Agus something she hig mo because Lord she in Uskara and he says his son really loves you, and then Ireland like that's the one, and then just like I'm punching sin hit you sheer when you more and would you more when you shot, and he just sort of stood up, all grand, and yeah, it was pretty yes, jazz, lovely moment. Agus sin bhí ben Jerry leis an espris really. Níl mór eile a ddíglam sa rá faoi bhí sé just iontach jazz. Yeah, so
Ínta jazz agus go dé a deartha tá mé ag teacht an níor a dúí ort go dé a deartha na trí rudaí is mó a dúlam tú I do 8 bhí I dtír na mBasca.
this is a self-help podcast, I forgot.
Sinné.
So ní bhí a dtír na mBasca, ní mí a dtír na mBasca, right?
Ní.
Agus na rudaí a hatsin lom. Well, hatsin an teagas glum go mór. Níor theagas mé couple bliain rubbish sin, so hatsin an teagas glum go mór. Hatsin sé lom be a chonaí in eit omlan difriúil. Omlan scartha ó saol sagam an éireann. Nílú móran de burla ag bhí an táarm gur tháinig mé grúpa bug den níl le burla. Sceafte bug den níl le burla. Nílú burla ag gach den acu. Bhí burla master hamáid ag beidir cethar acu, agus bhí sin go mhaith. Ach seachas sin ag féinniu an mhaile bug gan a bheith a bhfuil de brathir an burla ar sin. Ag fúlam teangaithe ura, ag fúlam rudaí ura, ag pretty class experience. Current sin de bhainil, agus just Janan sé daine níos similar food, you know. Agus yeah, what a place, just what a place. Good place. Yeah. Wahín an espris and the nearby, but yeah. Níorach ní bhí deanta. So tá sé an sin agam go rá míle sa. Tá sé an sin agam go rá míle sa. Yeah. And yeah, tamil.
Céim me se go arás fásta agus Janhí mud vlog.
Absolutely.
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 Right, and waggy mud an seád an teachtain?
Yes, waggy mud an seád an teachtain.
The mic.
Okay, guys.
Slán.
Slán love. Slán.